Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. It is British Bullion and Bars back at it again. Today, we've got something a little bit different. We have an unboxing video. Let's just... Okay, sorry about that. Paperwork. This is from Atkinson's Bullion and Coins. I believe this is going to be my second 2-ounce coin. And there she is. So we've got the White Lion of Mortimer, 2 ounces, fine silver, 0.9999, and the year on it is actually 2020. We've obviously got Her Majesty the Queen. I've actually noticed some condensation on that, which is interesting, but not a problem. It's a little bit of a different video. Let's just, for comparison, safe is locked. Well, there she is.